Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I wanted to discuss something a little bit more on a serious note, and it's not like movie news, and it's not really, I guess, any sort of tips or advice in going into filmmaking. It's just something I've been thinking about lately. With the Johnny Depp Amber Heard court case, there's been so much negative reports about it all against Johnny Depp, against Amber Heard, and while I have my opinion on what's going on, I don't think it's my place to express that on a platform as someone who's here to just deliver advice in filmmaking and deliver movie news. I think it's not my place to give my opinion on that type of stuff. So what I did want to talk about was why I think Johnny Depp was sort of set up to fail in his career, and I see this happen to a lot of actors, because part of the job is you're on screen, people get to know you, you become a huge celebrity. If you're in a big movie, you become a massive star, as Johnny Depp did at a super young age when he started out as just a struggling musician working at like a call center, and he was friends with Nicolas Cage, who got him into acting, and he really loved it. So he started picking these roles and doing things that were a great role because he loved acting. He wasn't in it to become this huge celebrity or this huge star. He just wanted to act and play amazing characters, which is what he did. But in turn, that led him into becoming a huge star, as we've seen when he was really young playing Edward Scissorhands. That became a huge movie. Then he did Willy Wonka, Pirates of the Caribbean, and he just became a massive global superstar and icon. And I don't think that's right, because people go into this job just loving acting and being an artist and wanting to play these amazing roles. They're not thinking about celebrity. While some do, a lot don't. And then it just comes with the gig, and they weren't ready to take that on. And while I know going into acting, you have to be prepared for if that happens, but you still can never really prepare because you don't know what it feels like. And you've seen actors go downhill really quick. And while I don't condone drugs or alcohol abuse, you can see why they turn to those vices when dealing with these incredible pressures along with their job, which is already a hard job to do and a very stressful job. And so they went into it not wanting to be a celebrity, but then it just happened. And then what do? You can either freak out, or some people can navigate it well, but not everyone can be that mentally stable. And as we've seen with Johnny Depp, he had his few troubles with drugs and alcohol and certain things in the past, and that eventually has led him into this relationship with Amber Heard, and then something has clearly gone wrong in that relationship, and all of this stuff has happened. And so that's why I think he was sort of always set up to fail, especially growing up with a mum who was abusive in the first place. His brain was dealing with a lot of trauma, and I think all his celebrity just impacted it and made it a lot worse. And now through this relationship with Amber Heard, and it's come to this point where you don't know who's telling the truth, whether Amber Heard was lying in the first place or Johnny Depp is lying and trying to cover himself. We don't really know for sure. We can all have our opinion, and let us know in the comments what your opinion is. I seriously don't mind. I just don't think it's my place as someone on YouTube delivering news to give my opinion. But I just wanted to share that message and say, think about that when dealing with these actors and sending out messages about them and being really negative. You don't know what's going on behind closed doors, and you've got to remember they didn't want to become a celebrity. They just wanted to be an actor and do their job just like anyone else did. And he's a father, and he has a daughter who's seeing this stuff, and it must be really difficult. And so I'm keeping up with the news. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about the whole trial. I just wanted to give this sort of message that I thought was important. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for listening.